Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope today finds you well. Today, instead of my usual plant videos, I'd like to try something a little bit different. Today, I'd like to talk about the Cana Creators that I follow. At the same time, in the comments below, you can let me know which Cana Creators you follow. But first, before we get into that, I'd like to take this moment to thank Mars Hydro for sponsoring this video. The TSW2000 and the TS1000 are both fantastic lights. I love their tents. I haven't found a light leak yet. I've had great results with all the Mars Hydro equipment that I've tried so far. Don't forget, at checkout, you can use my discount code, TAPROOTSGROWING, and you can get a little bit off your total at the end. Alright, on to the Cana Creators that I follow. These are not in any specific order. These are just in the order that I remember them. These aren't in the list of my favorites or anything like that. It's just, these are the Cana Creators that I follow. So the first Cana Creator that I follow is High Again. They really make growing fun and are becoming well knowledgeable on the growing of autos. Always great videos and always great photographs. The second Cana Creator that I follow is Pigeons420. He's another Cana Creator that brings a lot of humor to his videos. He has a lot of great knowledge, but yet he's still willing to learn something new. He's always willing to share this knowledge with his followers, and actually all the Cana Creators I'm going to mention all share their knowledge with their followers. That's why they do it, right? They like to share. They want to help. Alright, the third Cana Creator I follow is CLTV. Their videos are always educational and they're always entertaining. Their knowledge spans many topics from growing all the way up to cooking. The fourth Cana Creator that I follow is Mr. Grow It. Another Cana Creator with such a wealth of knowledge, it's unreal. The amount of knowledge that this guy has about growing. I had the honor of being on Mr. Grow It's garden talk about a year and a half ago, back when I was known as the Rookie Grower. Most of you know that Rob, Pigeons, Mr. Grow It, they all get together and they create the podcast From the Stash, which is another great service to the community. The fifth creator I follow is Build a Soil. Jeremy is an absolute wealth of knowledge. His grows always look fantastic. By watching Jeremy, it most definitely helped me get my watering under control. I was having a hard time getting it into some kind of a watering routine, and by watching him and learning from him, it most definitely helped me. I would recommend anybody that's having a hard time watering, go check out some of his videos. He breaks it down really simple and not confusing like the way I speak. I really love his style of growing. Alright, so those are the main Cana Creators that I follow, but here are some honorable mentions. Mr. Canucks Grow. What can I say? The guy knows how to grow and the guy knows how to make a video. Dr. Autoflower. Again, another guy with tremendous amounts of knowledge about growing autoflowers. And last but not least, Rosa Green. Even though he's been on hiatus, he's been a little bit ill for the past few months, his videos are still tremendous knowledge, and he has tremendous knowledge. And I'm wishing him a quick recovery and he gets back to making content again. Alright, that's it for today. Don't forget to show your favorite Cana Creator some love. Subscribe, like, and share their content. Every little bit helps to get their content pushed up into the algorithm. Don't forget, guys, comment below. Let me know who your favorite Cana Creators are, and maybe you have some honorable mentions yourselves. Let me know in the comments below. So thank you for joining me today. Have yourselves a great day. Take care of each other, be kind to each other. Stay elevated. Peace.